Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share OneDrive files and folders for a limited time. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive.com. Once you're on the page, sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your stored files and folders in the cloud. After signing in, give it a moment while the login process completes and you're redirected to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage all your cloud storage content. Now, to share files or folders with a time limit, start by looking at the left side menu. Click on My Files to access all the content you have stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. This section displays everything you've uploaded and organized within your account. From here, browse through your files and locate the specific file or folder you want to share temporarily. Once you find it, click on the small check mark next to it to select it. You'll notice the item gets highlighted, indicating it's ready for the next action. With your file or folder selected, click on the Share button located at the top of the interface. This opens up a sharing window where you can configure how and with whom you want to share your content. In the Share window that appears, look for the gear icon positioned next to the Copy Link button. This gear icon is your gateway to advanced sharing settings that give you more control over how your files are accessed. Go ahead and click on it to reveal additional options. Now, scroll down to the bottom part of the Settings menu until you reach the More Settings section. Here you'll find an option labeled Set Expiration Date. Click on this option and a calendar date picker will appear on your screen. This feature is exactly what allows you to limit how long others can access your shared content, making it perfect for temporary collaborations or time-sensitive documents. Select the specific date when you want the sharing link to expire. For example, if you're sharing a project file that's only relevant for the next week, you can set the expiration date 7 days from now. Once you've chosen your desired expiration date, click Apply to confirm your selection. The system will now save these settings and ensure that access to your file or folder automatically stops on the date you specified. With the expiration date configured, you can now share this file or folder knowing it will only be accessible for your chosen time period. This gives you peace of mind that your content won't remain publicly accessible indefinitely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.